Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, the ultimate destination where iconic architecture, elite lifestyles, and the world's most extraordinary luxury homes come to life. Here, we don't just showcase houses, we unveil masterpieces built for visionaries, creators, and those who live beyond limits. Today, we invite you inside an exceptional American luxury estate, a 2026 modern Mediterranean mansion that perfectly blends timeless elegance with contemporary billionaire design. Nestled within breathtaking natural surroundings, this residence stands as a symbol of prestige, privacy, and architectural brilliance. From the very first glance, this luxury home commands attention. Its warm beige stone exterior, elegant terracotta roofing, and perfectly balanced structure create a sense of harmony and power. Expansive terraces, flowing infinity pools, and lush landscaping transform the estate into a private resort, designed to deliver both visual impact and absolute comfort. As sunlight reflects off the marble surfaces and glass-lined balconies, every angle of this mansion tells a story of refined taste and uncompromising quality. This is a home where classic Mediterranean charm meets modern American luxury, carefully crafted for the future of elite living. Step closer, and you'll feel the scale, the symmetry, and the craftsmanship that define this residence. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed to create a seamless connection between architecture, nature, and lifestyle. This estate is not just about luxury, it's about experience, atmosphere, and emotion. In today's exclusive tour, we'll explore the grand exterior, stunning interiors, and resort-style amenities that make this mansion a true standout in the world of ultra-luxury real estate. You're watching Million Dollar Mansions, where luxury has a new standard, and this is where the journey begins.